for taking a stand, take a seat. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the mastery of it. One cannot control the length of his life, but can have something to say about its width and depth. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you stop to look in the face. You must do things you think you cannot do. We are judged by what we finished, not by what we start. We all want character, but not the trials that produce it. You cannot build a character in a cocoon. Every day is a gift to be unwrapped. That's why it is called the present. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. That we are alive today is a proof positive that God has something for us to do today. Happy is a man who has learned to hold the things of the world with a loose hand. We make our decisions, and then our decisions turn around and make us. There is a time to let things happen, and there is a time to make things happen. Some pursue happiness, others create it. The true meanings of life is not in its duration, but its donation. The will to preserve is often the difference between the failure and the success.